right, this is notes for 6-3, algebra, solving systems algebraically. This is like a little intro to solving systems algebraically. So when you're talking math, at least, not really everything, but when you're talking math, when they say same, or when they're asking for when two things are the same, that means that you're going to take those two things and set them equal. Set them equal with an equal sign. And then you're going to, and then solve. It's that simple. You set them equal and then you solve, and then boom. And the math behind that, why you can do that, is because of this rule right here, that equals may always substitute for equals. So if two things are equal, I can take those two things and set them equal. For example, if I know that y is equal to 3x, and then I also know that y is equal to negative 2x minus 1, because both of those expressions are equal to y, they're both equal to y, I can take them and I can actually go ahead and set them equal to each other and get the equation 3x is equal to negative 2x minus 1. And then I can go ahead and solve. So that's what I mean by when I say set them equal and solve. If they're equal to the same thing, y is y, you can substitute them together and put them in. So both equal, that looks like a toy, to y. There's gonna be questions about that. Okay, so that means like whenever you're reading a problem and they ask like, when will the heights of the plants be the same? When will the cost be the same? When will they catch each other? When will they, meet each other? Any kind of thing where it's talking about two things being equal or two things being the same, you're going to set equal and solve. So if they ask for, the same time, the same height, et cetera, whenever they're going to be the same, cost the same amount, spend the same amount of money, you're going to set those expressions equal and solve. We'll talk about this little star piece with example 1 because it makes more sense there.